Decoding the outcomes of the 16th GST Council Meeting, revised rates, thresholds, and exemptions. Welcome to a comprehensive breakdown of the pivotal 16th GST Council Meeting, held on 11th June 2017 and helmed by the esteemed Arun Jaitley. Aiming to fine-tune the intricacies of the impending goods and services tax (GST) regime, this meeting was poised to address three critical facets: the confirmation of previous meeting minutes, approval of amendments to draft GST rules, and crucial rate adjustments. Join us as we unravel the decisions that will shape the evolving GST landscape. Agenda: the 16th GST Council Meeting, led by Finance Minister Arun Jaitley on 11th June 2017, covered the confirmation of minutes from the previous meeting, approval of amendments to draft GST rules and forms, addressing rate adjustments based on industry representations, revising the threshold for the composition scheme, and finalizing rules and formats for maintaining accounts. These deliberations were crucial steps in streamlining the GST framework and preparing for its nationwide rollout on 1st July 2017. Revising rates and crafting balance. In an intricately choreographed symphony of adjustments, the GST Council recalibrated certain rates to strike a balance between revenue generation and consumer welfare. Emanating from 133 representations, 66 cases saw reduced tax levels. The recalibration was hinged on the practicality and frequency of goods, aligning the new rates with the existing indirect tax norms. IGST exemption under GST were revised for bilateral commitments, imports under agreement between India and Pakistan-Bangladesh for regulation of bus service. Technical exemptions for temporary import-re-import. Exemption from registration to certain class. Individual advocates, including senior advocates, individual sponsorship service providers, including players. Rates reimagined. Several goods witnessed revised rates, reflecting a strategic evaluation of their societal and economic impacts. For instance, movie tickets costing 100 rupees or less, kajal, and computer printers now attract an 18% rate, down from the initial 28%. Meanwhile, movie tickets exceeding 100 rupees continued to retain the 28% GST rate. Notably, the GST rates for kitchen essentials like pickles, mustard sauce, and murabba were revised from 18% to 12%. Furthermore, tax rates on cashew nuts underwent a substantial reduction from 12% to 5%, a decision aimed at improving tax buoyancy and curbing inflation. Empowering the composition scheme. The GST Council, ever mindful of the challenges faced by traders and businesses, revised the threshold limit for the composition scheme. This upward adjustment saw the turnover limit for CGST and SGST rise from 50 lakh to 75 lakh for traders, manufacturers, and restaurants. This scheme, offering tax rates of 1%, 2%, and 5% for different sectors, continues to empower small businesses to contribute to the evolving GST narrative. Special category states and exemptions. While a decisive stride was taken in revising the threshold limit, the meeting left a question lingering in the air. The applicability of the increased turnover limit for composition levy to special category states was deferred to a future GST Council meeting. Moreover, exemptions were bestowed upon various sectors, shaping the intricate GST landscape. From revising IGST exemptions for bilateral commitments to technical exemptions for temporary import-re-import, the Council meticulously worked towards streamlining the GST regime. Broadening the service horizon. The GST Council, with an unwavering commitment to transparency, continued to fine-tune the services spectrum. The list of services exempt from GST was expanded, encompassing activities related to functions entrusted to panchayats and municipalities under the Constitution. These comprehensive inclusions were a testament to the Council's dedication to inclusivity. Revised GST rate for certain goods, bones and horn cores, bone grist, bone meal, etc., hoof meal, horn meal, etc. 5% to 0%, cashew nut 12% to 5%, cashew nut in shell 12% to 5% under reverse charge, raisin 12% to 5%, cereal grains hulled 5% to 0%. Palmyra jaggery 18% to 0%. Preparations of vegetables, fruits, nuts or other parts of plants, including pickle, murabba, chutney, jam, jelly 18% per 12% to 12%. Ketchup and sauces, other than curry paste, mayonnaise and salad dressings, mixed condiments and mixed seasonings, mustard sauces 18% to 12%. Curry paste, mayonnaise and salad dressings, mixed condiments and mixed seasonings 28% to 18%. Pari made of pulses including mungodi 18% to 12%. Ice and snow 12% to 5%. Salt, all types 5% to 0%. Biogas 12% to 5%. Dicalcium phosphate, DCP, of animal feed grade conforming to IS specification number 5470, 2000 to 12% to 0%. Insulin 12% to 5%. I. Menthol and menthol crystals. 2. Peppermint menta oil. 3. Fractionated deterpenated menta oil, DTMO. 4. Dementholized oil, DMO. V. Spearmint oil. 6. Menta piperita oil. 18% to 12%. Kajal, other than kajal pencil sticks, 28% to nil. Kajal pencil sticks 28% to 18%. Agrabatti 12% to 5%. Dental wax 28% to 18%. All diagnostic kits and reagents 18% to 12%. Plastic beads 28% to 12%. Plastic tarpaulin 28% to 18%. I. School satchels and bags other than of leather or composition leather. 2. Toilet cases 4,200 to 1210. 3. Handbags and shopping bags of artificial plastic material 4,200 to 2210 of cotton, 4,200 to 2220 of jute, 4,200 to 2230 vanity bags, 4,200 to 2240. 4. Handbags of other materials excluding wicker work or basket work, 4,200 to 2910. 28% to 18%. Exercise books and notebooks 18% to 12%. Kites 12% to 5%. Children's picture, drawing or coloring books 12% to nil. Choir mats, matting and floor covering 12% to 5%. Headgear and parts thereof 28% to 18%. Human hair, dressed, thinned, bleached or otherwise worked 28% to 0%. Fly ash blocks 28% to 12%. Precast concrete pipes 28% to 12%. Salt glazed stoneware pipes 28% to 18%. Glasses for corrective spectacles and flint buttons 18% to 12%. Rough precious and semi-precious stones 3% to 0.25%. Aluminium foil 28% to 18%. Spoons, forks, ladles, skimmers, cake servers, fish knives, tongs 18% to 12%. All goods, including hooks and eyes 28% to 18%. Pavan chakki, that is air-based atta chakki 28% to 5%. Fixed speed diesel engines 28% to 12%. Rear tractor tires and rear tractor tire tubes 28% to 18%. Rear tractor wheel rim, tractor center housing, tractor housing transmission, tractor support front axle 28% to 18%. Weighing machinery, other than electric or electronic weighing machinery, 28% to 18%. Printers, other than multifunction printers, 28% to 18%. Ball bearing, roller bearings, parts and related accessories 28% to 18%. Transformers industrial electronics 28% to 18%. Electrical transformer 28% to 18%. Static converters, UPS, 28% to 18%. Recorder 28% to 18%. CCTV 28% to 18%. Two-way radio, walkie-talkie, used by defense, police and paramilitary forces etc. 28% 12%. Future steps and unveiling the GST journey. As the 16th GST Council meeting drew to a close, the Indian economy stood at the precipice of a revolutionary transformation. With recalibrated rates, bolstered composition schemes, and broader service exemptions, the GST implementation journey gained further clarity. As the GST narrative continued to unfold, the 17th GST Council meeting loomed on the horizon, promising more crucial decisions that would pave the way for a brighter economic landscape. Stay tuned as we navigate the evolving chapters of India's tax transformation story.